26th of November 2020, and this is the Stekes Hei on Vattuniemenkatu, Helsinki 4. Vatuniemi. Lauttasaari, Helsinki, Sports, Finland, and this was built in 1975, turning 45 years old this year in 2020, and made by ValmetSchlieren. And the serial number is VS4116. It's going to be inspected in 2022. And the capacity is 4 burgers or 320 grams, and with full memory. And this one, the buttons for the floor K, or Lauttasaari street level, got to plan, and well, the call button on the ground floor are still original.
Yeah.
Because they are not too torn. But in the second speed they changed those buttons.
Yeah. Inspected by Kiva Inspectant, maintained by Kong.
Yeah. It's a bit funny because in this case E, the hissy button, they tried to take away this I letter.
Yeah.
So it would be the Swedish word hiss. Swedish instead. Yeah, because here in Lauttasaari, there are around 50% that are Swedish speaking.
That's
Thank you very much for watching.